Now question of the day, our motto determine f of x, domain is, our motto determine domain of given function, under root 8 minus x plus under root x minus 3. Okay, so basically if you focus on that part, so you can say that basically that part is equal, is this, that 8 minus x is greater than or equal to 0, then this, that one is defined. So if multiply minus, then that sign is changed. So x minus 8 is less than or equal to 0. So you can say that x is less than or equal to 8. Now look here, x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. So x is x is greater than or equal to 3. Okay. So that one defined corresponding to that one defined, or you can say domain of that function is x is greater than equal to 3. Okay, and that one, say that one defined if x is less than equal to 8. So common part, basically domain means for which common part of these two. Okay, for which value of x these two functions are defined. Basically our motto, common part of that these two functions. So using line curve method, okay, here x say less than equal to 8, so that part here one, and this one say x is greater than equal to 3, so that part. So common part this one. Okay, so you can say that domain is close interval 3 to 8 close interval. Okay, this is the final answer.